Palin Parent-Child Interaction Therapy is an evidence-based therapy programme for children who stammer under the age of 7 and their parents. So in the course we'll start by giving you some of the theory, the evidence upon which our approach is based, and then we will take you through the assessment process so that you can understand for the child you're working with what will be the most helpful approach for them. We combine our presentation with video materials so you can see us using it, but also exercises when you can have a go at doing some of these things yourself. The course will also cover therapy. It will teach you how to use video to work with the child and the parents to help parents to identify what they're doing well in their play with their child so that they can go and do more of that in some home tasks. The Palin Parent-Child Interaction Therapy course is based on this course manual, which is a 2020 version that you can purchase online, and it will be of great help to you to have this with you as you undertake our course. Therapists who've attended the course have said that they've gone away with an invaluable toolkit of resources to put into place to support the children and parents that they're working with. They've enjoyed the activities, they've enjoyed the practice time, and they've really enjoyed seeing the videos of the therapists putting the activities into practice. People who have attended our courses in the past have often told us that they're really worried about working with young children who stutter and working with their parents, but at the end of the training they tell us that they feel confident, they feel skilled up and really excited to have a go with this. We're really excited to be able to offer this to you online so you can access this from home or in your offices in European and North American time zones. We love doing Palin Parent-Child Interaction Therapy at the Centre. We've loved seeing so many children and their families be helped by this approach, and we are really excited that we're going to have the opportunity to share it with you as well. We'd love to invite you to come and join one of our courses. We think it's a really great starting point for working with children who stutter, and we have a range of other courses for other age groups that you can also consider if you're interested.